Hello everyone, my name is Ardiansyah. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an origami bird. And here are the items we will need it to create an origami bird. So this is the item you need it to create an origami bird. First, you will need it one set of origami papers and then one ballpoint. So let's get we started the manuals. Yes, you must make sure that your origami paper is a square like this, and then after that, if your origami is a square, you can folding the corner to the bottom corner like this. You should have an upside down triangle like this, and then next step is fold part of the top down so that the edge is about halfway down. Don't make this too thin because will be the wings. Yeah, like this, and turn the paper over. Next step is take the bottom of the top layer and fold it up like this. Yeah, like this. And you must fold the figure in half by folding the left side to the right side. Like this. Now fold the same flap back like this to make one of half wings like this. Fold other wings back also. And then after that, push the center of the head in and flatten this skull and inside reverse fold. Push this, push like this. It's so hard. Yeah, like this. So that is the manuals to make. And final step is you must make the eyes in the head like this. Don't forget back to also. And the birds ready to play. So this is the manuals to create an origami birds, and I hope this video can help you to make it too. My name is Ardiansyah. Thank you for watching.